you are famous for your neuroscience of series. So मतलब आप यहाँ पे आए तो एक और neuroscience of तो बनता है. तो the basic question that I wanted to ask was कि जो हमारा physical world है उसमें we have some constant defined for times like months, years, days या hours, but our brain processes time differently. जैसे एक सिंपल सा एग्जांपल अगर लिया जाए, सो इफ वी पुट अप अ अलार्म क्लॉक एट 8 o'clock, वी वेक अप एट 7 o'clock एंड वी सी कि 1 घंटा बाकी है एंड देन वी स्लीप, but it feels like just 5 minutes have passed and it's already 8 o'clock. तो ये सारी चीजें मतलब कैसे होती है, like how does our brain processes time, what's the neuroscience of time?
Wow. So this is a whole 1 hour discussion. Neuroscience of time is okay. Basically, you can think that there are many clocks in the body.
Okay.
So there are cellular clocks. So every cell has a clock. There are organ clocks. And in the brain, there are circadian clocks, which is for the day. And there are seasonal clocks. And so these are just different sets of neurons that are coded for time. Now, the reason that time is so complex is that it's like color. How there is a spectrum of colors that we can see, but uske aage aur uske piche bhi hai, but we can only see a specific amount. Or uske aage piche we cannot really perceive it properly. Similarly, very small amounts of time and very large amounts of time we can't really process. So if I tell you that I'll meet you in 10 days, in 10 minutes, we can process it. But if I tell you that I'll meet you in 50 years, you don't really know what to do with that. And the more time it goes, so if I say 1 million years ago rats evolved, uska koi matlab nahi hai. It is a word, and you can understand it logically ki 1 million years hai, but you can't feel it. Whereas if I tell you that you are 5 minutes late, you can feel that you are 5 minutes late because you have a concept of what 5 minutes is. Whereas 1 million years, it's an abstract concept. So just like color, we have a spectrum ki kitna time we can actually perceive, right? And there are many areas of the brain that work together to give you a sense of time. And when you say sleep, in deep sleep, that sense of time goes away.
Okay.
In superficial sleep, wo nahi jata. So in superficial sleep, if you have had very restless sleep, you know, okay, you wake up feeling like you slept for whatever, 4 hours, 5 hours. But in very deep sleep, you feel like आँख बंद हो गया और आँख खुल गया. कुछ पता नहीं चला. Sometimes this happens in air travel. You climb on, you sleep, and then suddenly you're waking up and you've reached. So it almost feels like you've teleported. So you have no sense of time. You feel like 1 second mein I reached from Bombay to Delhi. So when your deep centers of time appreciation are also shut down, then you cannot perceive time. And so these are circadian clocks, and they are very deep. They are on the base of your limbic system and on the top of your brainstem. So brainstem is the part of the neck, jahan pe all your most basic functions happen. Your breathing, your heart rate, all that happens. So udhar ka jab time sense depress ho jata hai, so then you feel that I have teleported. मतलब बीच में कुछ time था ही नहीं. But anything more than this, I think I'll need to draw and show you. उसके बिना फिर मतलब मजा नहीं आएगा. I'll definitely do a video on neuroscience of time. So do check it out. Yeah. Awesome. Whenever I put it up. Missed your scream, Sagar is saying. Okay, thanks, man. Yeah.
I had one more question regarding perception of time only. If you could answer that also.
Sure.
So I heard about this research where there were two groups, and one group was like both of them were asked to do a task for 10 minutes, But the researchers
Yeah.
went into the first room in just 5 minutes and told them that 10 minutes are over. And they went into the other group and they went after 20 minutes and they told that your 10 minutes are over. So they related it to fun actually. So they realized that the people who were told that you just 5 minutes have been passed and you completed your 10 minutes of task, so they had more fun. They had noted down that they had more fun. So can the vice versa be true as well? Like in this world where we have 15 seconds content on TikToks and reels, so is it like that कि बहुत कम time में हमने कुछ देख लिया, so we are having fun, yeah, something like that?
Yeah, absolutely. So when your dopamine hit comes faster, there is always that sense of maza aa gaya.
Huh.
And this is social media does use this definitely, because long form content is now getting lesser and lesser appreciated.
Yeah,
we want to watch 15-minute videos, we want to watch 5-minute videos, we want to watch reels 30 seconds, 15 seconds. So it's this sense of how we feel that the shorter it takes and you have concluded it, you are actually saving time. You feel that, okay, now I can move on to the next and I can move on to the next. Of course, the other side of it is that you're addicted. So you end up wasting more time chasing after it. But for that short term, your brain tricks you into feeling that you have achieved something in a short amount of time. You are great. Here's some dopamine for you.
Yeah.
That's what happens.